Hi guys. For your first assignment, you are going to introduce yourself inside of this discussion. So you're going to click reply and then scroll down. And right here, where you see this image right here, where it says record or upload media, click on that. And then you are going to make a recording of yourself. So you can see yourself in it. You press start recording. Hello, my name is Mrs. Broberg, and I'm excited to teach our class. And then you press finish and save. The video that you made will go right there into your discussion box right here. In your video, tell me your name, where you usually go to school if you weren't at Weber Online, and then tell me anything that you know about theater and acting. What experience have you had with it so far? And if this is your very first time trying a theater or an acting class, let us know that too. So you include all of that inside of your discussion and press post reply. And then your video will be right there. And the next thing I want you to do is reply to at least one other person's video. So watch their video, see what they said, and then just write them a little comment. And if you don't want to write a comment, you could always choose to film yourself speaking a comment to them.